build systems, not bottlenecks. Build systems, not bottlenecks. Sir, best example, for everything, your approval is required. For everything, so they require to wait for your approval. Then obviously, you are not building the system. You are creating, you are the big bottleneck in the progress. That's why. So what you require to do? Yes, delegate decision power. Delegate decision power. Delegate, create the system, hand over to them. Okay, suppose here best example for me. I told in the DURGASOFT, small expenses will be there. Okay, assume, sir, bathroom penile is required. Next, washing soap is required. Next, markers are required. Sir, in the speaker, mics, batteries are required. For everything, each and every expense, compulsory my approval must be required. Otherwise, I thought that may be a chance of misuse. Then obviously, I'm very seriously discussing in a class. Suddenly my phone is coming. My admin person is telling, sir, in bathroom, penile is not there. I'm in important business meeting. You are asking me about penile is not there in the bathroom. Can you please give the approval? Okay, to buy like. Can you please imagine once the scenario? What I did is this type of activities, this kind of low level activities I should not. What I did is I called my accountant until 1,000 rupees. If any general expense, my approval is not required. My approval is not required. Okay, until 1,000 rupees. But for every amount what you are spending, better to maintain the bills properly. Better to cross check you are responsible. But don't disturb me. Then automatically minimum 4 to 5 calls every day got reduced. Otherwise, sir, bulb is not working. Sir, markers are required. In the markers, ink is not there. In the mic, batteries are not there. Not there. Am I responsible for such a type of low-level activities? Build a system. Delegate decision power. Small decision power. That thing is going to be very, very helpful, dosto. Okay. If you want everything my approval is required, you are not going to build the system. You are not going to build for growth. You are the bigger bottleneck in your growth. Bigger bottleneck in the growth.